Maboyim, welcome everyone. Every Friday we try to learn a little bit from my holy ancestor, the Maharal of Prague. This week's Parshas, Vayechi. In the book of Genesis, chapter 49, verse 27, we read, Binyamin ze'ev yitrof, baboka yoichal ad, v'la'arev yichlek shalol. Benjamin is a wolf that raveneth. In the morning he devoureth the prey, and at even he divideth the spoil. Rashi says, Ze'evhu asher yitrof. That when it says that Benjamin is a wolf yitrof, you might read that in Hebrew to mean a wolf that is torn apart. But rather Rashi understands, as we translated, that Benjamin is a wolf that tears apart. Nibal she uses exceedingly as chatfonin. And this is based on because the Benjaminites would catch people. What does it mean? That the men would catch their wives, as we find in the book of Judges, chapter 21, verse 21, in the unfortunate narrative of the concubine in Gibeah. It's also a prophecy concerning Saul, who was victorious over all of his enemies around him. That it says in the book of 1 Samuel chapter 14 verse 47 that Saul took the kingdom and won every side against Moab and against the Edomites, and whithersoever he turned himself he put them to worse. My holy ancestor the Maharal of Prague says, when it says that Ze'ev asher hu yitrof, that it is a wolf who tears apart, Ein lefarish Binyamin yitrof zev, that we're not saying that a wolf is tearing up Benjamin, k'mashmo is a kasuv, which would be the simple reading of the scripture, Dein derech litref zev, or that Benjamin would tear up a wolf, because people don't generally tear up wolves. Derech zev litref is acher, but however, wolves do tear up others, like in Perusha, Binyamin ze'ev, who asher yitrof. So therefore we understand that Benjamin is a wolf, and he is the one who tears up. There is, of course, the famous Rebbe Ephraim that suggests that Benjamin was a werewolf, and that he killed his mother in childbirth. It wasn't just that she died in childbirth, but because he was a werewolf. That's why that happened. When they asked Rav Chaim Kanievsky about that, he said that's one of the secrets of the Torah. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment. We'll see you later.